What if I tell you that this school does not require any application fee? And if I tell you that this school deposit is just 1,400 Canadian dollar, of which $1,000 is refundable to you in the event that you do not have your visa approved. There are a lot of good things about this school. One of them is that it is eligible, or all of its courses are eligible for postgraduate work permit visa. So, and again, it leads you to permanent residency because you will be able to get postgraduate work permit visa and eventually become a permanent resident in Canada. So, guys, this is a golden opportunity which I'm going to share with you. A school that has low tuition fee, and also the deposit is 1,400 Canadian dollar, which can actually be paid quite easily by anyone. And in the event that there is no visa approval, you would be getting a refund of 1,000 Canadian dollars. So you'll be losing 400 Canadian dollars. So this is quite very cheap admission process for you. This school is located in the heart of Alberta, and it is also, Alberta is one of the province in Canada where you could actually get a job quite easily. So, guys, I will be taking you through the process of getting admission into the school, the courses they offer, and how you can start your application with no cost. So, guys, let's go through my screen as I show you the beauty of studying in this school. Yeah, this school I'm about to introduce to you is the Red Deer Polytechnic, located in Alberta. Yeah, Red Deer Polytechnic is a famous polytechnic. It has a number of courses and is located just right in the center of Alberta, and it's got many positive things about it. You can say about 11,000 total learners, 242 Alberta and Canadian ALEC titles. That's what they've achieved. Career and academic progress about 100 plus, and 88 plus thousand strong community of alumni. So it's not a new school, and it's not just a school you said that it came from one corner of the city. They are really very strong in what they do. They have bachelor's degree programs, they have diplomas, and they have also trade courses. So it all depends on what you want. So you may be able to choose within this. So you can see they have certificate course, diploma, apprenticeship, and degree. So we'll go to all the programs. Then you can have a look. So this all program. Then you can see their courses. Okay, academic upgrade, activity coordinator certificate. So these are all certificate courses. Some of them anyway, and some are diploma. So you can say artificial intelligence and data analytics diploma, 2 years. You can say artificial intelligence and data analytics post baccalaureate certificate, 1 year. Automotive service technician apprenticeship, 4 years. Aviation certificate diploma, 2 years. Bachelor of applied art in animation and visual effects, 4 years. There's a bachelor's degree. Then if you go to the next page, you see unique lag extension certificate, university art diploma, 2 years. University science diploma is 2 years. And visual art diploma is 2 years. Water well drilling apprenticeship is 2 years. Welders apprenticeship is 2 years. Okay. Those have engineering courses. Let me just go back just a moment to the next page, or to the very primary page where we came from. Yeah. So if it hit it here, you see programs. Let's go to programs. They also do research in case you're interested in research. So you see, explore our program. Then you come down to this place. No, I'm still in the same place. Just want to get where we have programs like computing and all the rest of that. Okay, first let's go to research and innovation. Okay, if you're interested in research, you can come here to check out the research programs, by the way. Okay, so we go back to explore programs. Yeah. So yeah, you go right down here. So you're gonna see business programs, computing and information technology. You see all this. You see continuing education and corporate training, creative arts, education, engineering and technology. So if you want engineering courses, you can see it here. You'll see all the engineering courses they offer, like instrumentation and automation engineering, technology diploma, mechanical engineering, diploma, university transfer, bachelor's of science engineering. Then if you go down to health, you can see all the health program they also offer. Yeah, go down and see bachelor's of kinesiology and sports studies science transfer, bachelor's of science in nursing. And we go to the next page, you see diagnostic medical sonographer, healthcare aid certificate, kinesiology and sports. There are just licensed practice nurse to BS in nursing transition, medical device reprocessing certificates. There are so many medical courses actually. So let's just go back one more place so you can also see this. We can just check out one more. Yeah, let's check out the trade courses. So for the trade courses, I think it's a welding apprenticeship, automotive service technician, agricultural equipment technician, carpenter apprenticeship, cook apprenticeship, electrician apprenticeship, gas fitters, heavy equipment technician, industrial mechanic, instrumentation and control, locksmith, material technology, technician, parts technician. So there are a lot of them, including water well drilling, welder apprenticeship, and all of that. So this is about the school. For this school, deposit is quite cheap, like I told you. So it gives an opportunity because you know that for schools where you have to pay heavy deposit and later on to get the refund becomes a problem, or you get just less refund is a problem. It becomes difficult for you. But for school whereby you just have to pay 1,400 and you are able to get a refund of 1,000 is quite a great opportunity. So you can see there are research areas. So they also have research area in case you want to engage in research. Okay. Yeah, so that also makes sense to me. For example, if I want to check manufacturing and advanced manufacturing research to see what they've got, so you can see the achievements and the kind of research interest they have. I can reach out to them in case you're interested in research. But guys, I will be wrapping up here because I don't really intend to make this video long. So I want to make it short. So I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you and have a great day.